Hey guys, welcome back to my page. This is how to sew a hem without a sewing machine. You'll need an iron or straightener, scissors, pins or bobby pins, and a needle and thread. To thread your needle, put the end of the string through the eye of the needle and pull the needle to the center of the length that you want. Next, cut off the desired length, and I do a double knot. Also depends on the fabric you're using. In this example, I'm using linen, so we're double knotting. Next, mark your hemline. I recommend trying on the piece of clothing you want to hem, mark it, and then go in with a ruler to mark the same distance around for the new hemline. We're doing a rolled hem, which hides the raw edge, so we're going to trim the fabric 1/2 inch below the desired hemline. The rolled hem allows us to hide the raw edge without having a serger, which is another sewing machine, and the raw edge really doesn't pop out, so you'll be left with the clean line. Here I use my straightening iron to make 2 pleats. This just helps me secure the fabric into a clean hemline. So the first pleat is 1/4 inch up, and then the next 1/4 inch will take you to the bottom of your hemline. Bobby pins are a great option to secure your fabric in place if you don't have normal sewing pins. To start sewing, take your needle and begin your straight stitch on the side that'll be facing your body. What's tricky about hand sewing is making it neat, so use the fabric grain to help you create even stitch widths. Okay, you're done with your straight stitch. To finish it off, you want to tie off your ends. A trick I use is to place my needle at the base of my knot and then pull the string tight while leaving my needle at the base. This ensures that my knot won't be too high since we want the knot close to the fabric. Using your needle instead of your hands helps you be just a little bit more efficient and precise. Then take your scissors, trim off the excess, make sure you also trim the front where you began your stitch, and then you have a really nice seam. Great job. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments, or if you have new video ideas that you need help with, let me know. Thank you so much.